Okay yan. Bagay naman yung damit eh.
Thanks for the assist, Charlie. Well, you have done this so often, you hardly need me. You should be doing this with your eyes closed this time, yes? Do not worry, I shall be here. I will not miss this for anything. Now, make your preparations, you will be ashore soon. GPS locked, I have your position. I will also access compound CCTV to see you when you are there.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh no.
Almost like Mr.
paano tayo makakaano niyan to?
Paranoid sometimes.
Ako?
Pakunan tayo ng ano.
Diretso ko na ako.
Sige.
Hanap ako ng boat. Ba, walang kwenta talaga.
Libre tigil tong guard na to.
Uh, walang kwenta ulit tayo, Carl.
Ulit? Sige.
Sorry.
Okay lang.
Lan kasi dun eh. Tumubra na yung reset na yan.
At least di siya aaron, di ba?
Yan.
Nice run, Charlie. Here we are again. There is something special about the amphibious landing. The calm before the tropical storm. And from what I hear, Mr. Rubio's mood these days, the storm is very tropical indeed. I'm starting to think our host has unresolved anger issues. Why don't we give him some more, huh? Now pay attention. You will reach land soon. GPS trace acquired. I have your location. Once you are inside the compound, I will be able to see you on CCTV. Some advice. When dealing with paranoid drug lords, expect CCTV everywhere.
Sige, ikaw na.
By the way, you will always have room in your bag for main objective. I have crafted special compartment for us. As my uncle would say, you kill the moose, you carry it home. You understand? Yes. The heavier the things you take, the slower you will be.
Paano yung at feel yung ano? Back. Anong pipindutin?
Shift. Shift tsaka left control. Shift tataas, left control baba. Okay, shift pa.
Ah, shift pa.
Balik ka onte. Shift. Okay.
Sige pa?
Oh,
Ah, yun
okay na. Sige, push. Push.
You know, in a way, I admire Mr. Rubio. We steal from
Okay
him,
na.
and he restocks the cupboards with goodies. Huh? We Russians love an optimist.
Kuha na tayo ng cash.
Yun nasa ilalim. Konti.
Putik. Oh!
Aray, okay lang. Armor lang yan.
Ako muna, onti lang naman to.
Sige. Akin yung konti na lang. Git nahiya pa, may 1 bar pa.
Man's fault, huh? Mr. Rubio is one
Hindi pa naubos yun, no?
Oo.
black mark
Lagyan mo sa brief mo.
on this financial crisis.
Pero hindi nag-drift.
I love this job. Let's make some money.
Bakit?
Ano, nag-tumbling kas tubig. Okay, nandito pa yung t-shirt ko. Ay,
Sana.
wala na.
Yung glitch ata pag dito na eh.
Oo.
Terrified screams. I will assume you made it through the uncharted tunnel and into the den of strung-out militiamen. Good. Things are going according to plan, huh? Now, let's see what he has for us in the vault this time. Watch out for the Mr. Rubio's personal bodyguards. They patrol this area. They will know every soldier on the island. Them you cannot fool, no matter what you are wearing.
Nahulog ka? Ay,
Hmm. Pero akala ko buhay pa yun. Gragdal.
may space pa ako eh.
Always worth looking
Paano yun?
in the safe.
Ano kunin? Ito ba yung kukunin?
Ah, okay.
Ako na ba? Ano ko na pala?
Ako mo na eh. Hindi kailangan ng space nun.
Oo. Di pala.
May space ka pa ba?
Meron pa. Sobrang liit.
Hindi ka ba full?
Oh, meron ng maliit na bar nga na iwan sa loot bag. Siguro ano to, isang cash. Or isang gold.
Wala kinuha mo yung cash muna.
Okay lang yan. Next size. For the same
Hindi natin makukuha yung ano eh.
yung
Elite challenge pag hindi full yung bag.
ay we.
Oo.
Damn.
Hindi pa green yung loot bag mo?
Hindi pa.
Oh no. Wala na makukuhaan dito eh. Kailangan natin yung second key.
Here we are.
Tama na?
Kung natin may pera.
Hindi sinabi sa akin at pala kinuha mo yun dun sa may warehouse.
Hindi pala naubos dun.
Akala ko sabi mo may isa pang bar ng cash.
Ah,
Focus, yes. This display case is bulletproof and bombproof. The only way in is the plasma cutter.
maling bar pala yung pagkakaintindi.
Use your finger. Big slip. Well, just ask my uncle. The fine art of the plasma cutter. A submarine mechanic's best friend. You must treat her gently, or she will overheat. You know the only diamond bigger than this, the one on my ex-wife's finger. You steal that back, then I am.
Kuha ka na.
It looks like they have sealed off the drainage pipe you used to get in here. You will have to find another way out.
Doon pa rin yung daan, no, Phil?
Oo. Huwag ka mag-alala, di ka may kita ng juggernaut dun.
Okay.
Extra guards just arrived. Be careful.
Yung natin na dumaan.
Remember, there is
Kaya
always
kita mo, may juggernaut tsaka isa.
before takeoff.
Nakakalikod dyan eh.
Papatayin ba yan? O hindi naman.
Hindi natin. Isa na natin. Pero may kita yung katawan na yan eh. Sa gilid ng stairs ah. May kita yan. Salamin ka?
Oo ko. Di ba part yan ng outfit?
Well,
Okay, nakakalakad ako.
Good work. The compound is behind us, and they still have no idea what's hit them. We are almost home. Just get out of there.
di ba kaya sumakay dito?
The airstrip exit point should be on your
Hindi.
radar.
Di mo pa yung lakarin?
Ano ba to? Kung saan pag dalaw. Ayan. Punta mo lang ako.
Sige. May ano? Ba't mo kayong kunyan? What?
Ako.
Bakit? Nag-bug? Ay, yung motor mo.
Car. Sa car. May kotse. Dito din sa akin.
Pumunta ka sa'yo.
Sakay.
Let's go!
Ang hirap para kapag solo lang kasi yung alam ko dito eh. Kaya
Isa lang yung motor, no?
ko lang pag yung multiple eh.
Oh, ano yun?
Baba ka. Para di ka matamaan.
Nasa pinakababa nga ako eh. Para safe.
Sige ah.
Ah,
Nakakalimutan yung rebreather.
parang nabarikata kanina.
Sounds like Mr. Rubio is reaching
Oo.
for his helicopter again. The whole crew across the line. Very
Nabawasan tayo ng 3k pero okay lang. 3k lang naman.
Elite bonus ano eh. May 50,000 extra.
Ay, we?
Per player.
Oh. Hindi. Next size.
So okay lang naman.
Try natin. Ay, hindi. Mahirap din kasi. Kailangan ba ano? Kailangan di na-alert yung guard pag ganun? Pag elite?
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang naman ma-alert.
Ah, okay.
Huwag lang mamatay.
Huwag lang mamatay. Kaya pala eh.
Ay, nakita mo yan. $900 tayo. It's almost 1 million. At yung ayan o, Elite Challenge. 0 hacks failed. Ayan, full. Reset dyan. Isang cash na lang.
Oof. So close.
Kanina kasi perfect na yun eh.
Oo.
So, yun.
You sure you never heard shit like this from the block before? Top down. Top down.
Eh, 900.
Sarap.